In this quick video, I'll show you how to share your location on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Sharing location on WhatsApp is really easy. For that, firstly we just need to select the contact which we want to send our location. I want to send my location to this contact. For that I will simply click there and then click on this icon which is attachment icon. I will simply click there and then click on location. But before uploading location, we must enable location services of our mobile. I will click on OK and then enable the location service. Then we can go back and now we can simply send our location to that particular contact. Now you can see my location is loading. We just need to wait for a moment. Now you can see my locations are loaded. I can simply send my current location by clicking on this, or I can select the location from these options. WhatsApp will provide you multiple options. You can select the options from WhatsApp, or we can simply select our current location. I will simply click on it and now you can see my location is sent to the contact. And also there is another option in which we can share our live location. For that, once again we just need to click on attachment, then click on location. This time we will select this share live location option. I will click on it and here are three options in which we can select the time duration we want to share our live location. We can share our live location for 15 minutes, 1 hour and 8 hours. I will simply send it for 15 minutes, then click on send and now you can see my live location is sent to the contact. If you want to stop your live sharing before time, for that we just need to click on stop sharing, then click on stop. Now your live location sharing will be disabled. So these are the ways you can use for sharing your location on WhatsApp. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.